Hello guys, and today I will show you how to use your Sonos Roam speaker. It's really easy if you learn the basics. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So first, how to turn on the speaker. As you can see, any of the indicators right here is not working. That means the speaker is turned off. We just need to rotate the speaker and find this little button right here and hold it for a few seconds. As you can see, one of the indicators right here is blinking by white. It means the speaker has gone into Wi-Fi mode. Wi-Fi mode is when you can start controlling your speaker by this panel with these control buttons, or you can manage your speaker with the Sonos application on your smartphone. Now let's talk about these control buttons on the side of the speaker. So this first button in the middle is play or stop the song which is playing at the moment. This button right here is volume up, and this button right here is volume down. And now about the last button. This is microphone button. The microphone button is been using to turn on the microphone. As you can see with this white light right here, it means the microphone is turned on, or you can turn it off. Microphone is being used for voice assistant, which you can set in the Sonos application on your smartphone, or for an autoplay. Autoplay is a function which is doing the best sound settings for the actual environment where is the speaker located. Now I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth mode on your speaker. Just need to simply find the same button and hold it for a few seconds until you hear the sound. Then, as you can see, this indicator right here is blinking by blue. That means the speaker is ready to pair by Bluetooth with your smartphone. And now I will show you how to put your speaker into a sleeping mode. Sleeping mode is a mode which has been using for battery power saving and being able to turn on the speaker faster than usually. So for sleeping mode, we just need to do one fast click on this button, like this, and you will hear the sound. That means the speaker has gone into sleeping mode. Now I will show you how to fully turn off the speaker. So we just need to turn it on first. As you can see, this white indicator right here signals the speaker is on, and now we need to hold this button for about 5 seconds until we hear sound. This one. It means the speaker is fully off and it's saving its battery even more than in a sleeping mode. It was all. Thank you for watching.